Wow, look at that, guys. What is going on with Maxeon Solar Technologies right now? Let us know in the comments below if did you expect this movement or not. Welcome to Trading HD. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Today, Alvaro is not here, but don't worry, he's okay. He will be with us very soon. So let's talk about Maxeon Solar Technologies. This is a very critical moment. What do you think about this latest movement? Because you can clearly see in the 15-minute chart, in a couple of, in just 30 minutes, if we take into account only these two red candles, minus 40 something percent. Wow, what a huge crash right there. And from there the bounce was very strong also, but not enough to recover the price, at least for now. We are talking about a movement of 40%, and to current levels, now that I'm recording this, 30%, around that number. So how do you see the situation right now? Do you think this level will be the next support area and we won't visit lower levels, or do you think like this is well, the question could be, is this an opportunity or the continuance of the previous crash or correction or whatever, or maybe the end of this stock? How do you see it? But this is a very critical moment. We are talking about, let's go to the daily time frame to see with more details, because this stock was trading during May of this year around $4. That was the level that hit with this movement to the upside, and from there we could talk about the technical analysis that we can see right here. This support level was broken with a gap to the downside. Then this downtrend movement, very dramatic. Look at this taking into account the gap, was more than 80%, and from there it continued to almost 95%. Wow, what a huge crash right there. The movement to the upside happened here, creating this type of triangle pattern. We can see, let's zoom in so we can see with more detail. And from there the movement happened to the downside, and the movement was another 50%. Wow, the volatility is huge in this one. And then again we saw a breakout to the upside, but I think we mentioned this in the previous video, or maybe we didn't, but you can clearly see like the bullish strength wasn't enough, because this level, this previous support area, was breakout right here, broken out with a false one, and then retest multiple times, but the strength wasn't enough, and from there the strength, sorry, wasn't enough, and from there this movement to the downside. But today it was even stronger. We are talking right now minus 28%, around that number. When you watch this video, maybe the price has completely changed, because in this stock we are watching very crazy and volatile moves. But how do you see it right now? Let us know below in the comments. So from the fundamental side, we have 2 days ago some news right here. Maxeon Solar Technologies names Ken Olson as interim CFO. How do you think this could affect this company? And if you have more information, please share it with us in the comments below, because we are very happy to read all your information and all your thoughts about the stocks that we comment with you. We are very happy to read them, and they are very informative also. And if you just give our opinion below, thank you very much. I'm a bit accelerated because I normally record these videos with Alvaro, so I'm not used to talk a lot of, at this pace and during all the video, but take that into account. So thanks for the comprehension right there. And from the earnings and revenue, let's go to the forecast that we have right here, this section that we like to share with you, because we have 5 analysts offering 1-year price forecast for Maxeon Solar Technologies, and they are very bullish from what we can see right here. The minimum 87% to the upside, the average 642%, and the maximum 1779%. Wow, $2 almost. So do you think this analyst forecast is updated? Will they change it soon or not? We have this data right here in TradingView, but do you think this is of course updated or not? And if you agree with this type of forecast, because wow, they are very bullish. From the analyst rating, we have the opposite. We have, based on 6 analysts giving stock ratings to this company, they say sell, 2 strong sells and 4 hold, but the strong sells, you don't tend to see them in other type of stocks. And from the EPS section in this forecast, something that I find very interesting, we can see that in the annual, and it is like the estimate has been always better than the reported, at least from what we have in 2020, 2021, 2022 and 2023. So maybe this time is the same, and in the quarterly we can see a very similar situation during these last quarters of 2023, with this one being almost double in the opposite direction, and this more or less the same. We had the estimate of minus 0.97 $12, and then the reported was minus 1.59. So how do you think these earnings will go? Because I think they are very soon to be released. I don't know the exact data. Apparently they should be around these days, but if you have more information, please share it with us in the comment section below, because we like to read all your comments and learn with you, of course. In Trading HT, honest traders, we appreciate all the feedback that you give us also. So wow, I don't know if I can add something from the technical side, because I think this chart has a lot of price action. We commented it in previous videos, of course, but to make an insight right here, this is like the level that got retested, trying to bounce this last crash that we experienced during June of this year and the end of May. But from there, the rejection was huge. Look at this movement. We are talking in, I think, in 4 days, 4 trading days, the movement was more than minus 80%. Wow, what a crash right there. And you know, this one was also interesting because they tried to broke this resistance area that we can see right here, this white line being created with this first level and this one right here, and they tried to broke out of it. Let's see with more detail in the 15-minute time frame. I think we can see that breakout right there, that false breakout, from what the information that we have right now. And you can see like the movements that were outside of this white line were almost all wicks right here. And when you had some kind of patterns that could be interpreted as something bullish or something like that, they didn't break the previous green level that we had right here. That was the support area that was broken out right there and started to act as a resistance level, apparently, from what we can see right here. And you know, the rest is what we can see right now. This movement to the downside being created with this type of parallel channel, we could say, and from there the breakout that happened today. So guys, what do you think? This is my question for you. Do you think this is an opportunity to enter in this stock at a better price, or do you think this is a bad stock and you shouldn't be buying this? Or what is your opinion? Always remember, with respect and honest opinions. And if you can share with us more information about this stock, about this company, the price action, fundamental side, anything you want to share with us, it will be welcome and we will appreciate it a lot. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe to Trading HT. Check our other videos right here if you have more time, and enjoy the rest of this week. Thank you very much.